Hello friends, welcome again in this video. Today I have one iPhone X is water damage. I tried to connect with iTunes and up restore factory setting, but stay in the still same this condition. Then comes two problems after water damage, one from here, one from charging port. Now I will show you how you need to connect again with the iTunes, but after open the phone I will do something, show you something what's inside. You need to disconnect, and after then you will connect with the iTunes, and after then your software will be done and the phone will be back in the same condition. Okay, let's start. Now first I will open the phone. First turn off. First turn off phone. Turn off phone. Give 8 and also water damage phones always problems start from comes problems from here, from through the charging port, or come through the speaker. Water comes there, and after then have a problem in the phone. If the phone is not turning on, you must need to first check through the charge your phone from wireless charging. If showing the charging, then you need to disconnect your connection with charging port. Then must be you need to replace your charging port, and after your phone will be okay. Or if charging port is okay and phone is turning on, and after not connecting with with the iTunes, or if connecting and doing software, but after software stay in the same condition, you need to disconnect speaker. Disconnect from here, and now you will connect with the iTunes and update software or restore factory setting. Then your phone will be fine. And the must be after then, if you have a problem in the Face ID, you need to, I will make the new video, another video for how to repair your Face ID. But water damage phone just have two problems. Hopefully you will understand the problem, how to trace your first problems. Water damage phone for iPhone X, iPhone XR, or XS Max 11, it's same problems come in this type after water damage. Hopefully you understand my video. If you like, or if you solve your problem same like my video, then let me know in my comments please. See you in the next video. Thank you guys, take care, bye.